the #1 drink to clear mucus and phlegm from your airways. This video is for educational purposes only, so do speak with your doctor before using these natural remedies. Thick mucus can get stuck in your airways when you have an infection or an allergy, and this makes it harder to breathe and get oxygen into your lungs. Most of the over-the-counter medications are designed to suppress mucus and coughing, but this can cause the infection or the reaction to last longer and can lead to nausea, vomiting, and a weakened immune system. Fortunately, there are natural ingredients that have been used for centuries that naturally can thin out mucus and release it without the side effects of these medications. In this video, I'll be sharing a very simple drink recipe to clear out mucus and phlegm from your lungs, throat, and sinuses. Ingredients: 1. Onion juice. Finely grate a red onion and squeeze it through a cheesecloth to extract the juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of the onion juice to a tall pint glass. Onion juice is rich in sulfur compounds which naturally fight off infections in the respiratory tract and help to break up mucus. Freshly squeezed onion juice also contains a lot of quercetin. This is a natural antihistamine that helps to reduce mucus and phlegm caused by allergies by calming down an overactive immune system. This is why onions have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to improve breathing. Ingredient 2. Water. Add 300 milliliters, which is 1¼ cups of water, to the tall glass, preferably using mineral or spring water. Water serves as the carrier in this drink to help your body absorb the other ingredients. Staying hydrated is also essential to help stop phlegm from thickening during an infection. 3. Raw lemon juice. Squeeze out the juice of 1/2 a lemon into the glass. Do not use bottled lemon juice here, as this will not have the same effect. Raw lemon juice is rich in citric acid and vitamin C, which naturally shrinks the swollen tissue in your airways, helping to ease pain from a sore throat, sinuses, or voice box. The lemon juice helps to calm down that urge to clear your throat repeatedly, and it helps the mucus to drain more freely. Lemon juice also helps prevent acid reflux, which is another common cause of mucus buildup. 4. Ginger powder. Next, you'll add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder to the mixture. The ginger spice has been used for over 5,000 years in both Indian and Chinese medicine to help heal the body against infections, allergies, stomach upset, and many other issues. In this recipe, ginger helps further calm down the inflammation by boosting blood circulation and oxygen levels in your lungs. This helps to speed up the body's natural healing processes. Ginger also contains gingerol, which relaxes the smooth muscles in your lungs, making it easier for you to breathe and clear out that mucus that's stuck. 5. Raw honey. Next, add 1 teaspoon of locally grown raw honey to the drink. It's very important to make sure that the honey that you use is raw, unfiltered, and unpasteurized, as many of the cheaper varieties contain sugar syrups which will make your mucus worse. Raw honey naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, which kills harmful bacteria and fungi that may have infected your sinuses, your throat, or your lungs. It also has some natural enzymes which help to thin the mucus and make it less sticky so that your body can clear it out. If you can get hold of it, I suggest using raw manuka honey, which is made by honeybees that live near manuka bushes in Australia or New Zealand. The nectar from these medicinal plants gives this type of honey a very rare factor called methyl glyoxal. This is much more potent in killing off chronic infections involved with sinusitis, bronchitis, and other respiratory diseases. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to the glass. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which activates immune cells in your body called phagocytes to help fight off infections. These cells break down the bacteria and viruses that may be causing your phlegm or mucus to build up. Also, an often overlooked cause of chronic mucus is silent reflux. This is where stomach acid flicks upwards into your food pipe, causing mucus and phlegm to build up. Apple cider vinegar helps to close the small valve above your stomach, stopping the reflux and protecting your throat and sinuses. Drinking a little apple cider vinegar every day can also boost your immune system and naturally clear congestion, especially in the winter when you may need a bit of extra protection. Number 7 is wild oregano oil. Now add just 1 drop of wild oregano oil to the glass. This is one of the most powerful antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal remedies known to man, and is extremely effective in clearing out mucus from the lungs, throat and sinuses. It takes around 1,000 pounds of oregano leaves to produce just 1 pound of oregano oil. This very high concentration makes it extra potent with high levels of carvacrol and thymol. These are natural decongestants which loosen thick mucus and clear out the airways. They are also potent antioxidants which can help to protect lung tissue against oxidative damage from pollution, toxins, and chronic inflammation. You'll notice after using oregano oil that you can breathe more easily. Don't use more than 1 drop in this drink, however, as it's very potent and it can irritate the stomach if you use too much. I suggest using oregano oil at the first sign of a cold to catch it early. And 8. Grapefruit seed extract. This ingredient is optional, so don't worry if you don't have access to it. To make the drink even more potent, you can add 4 drops of grapefruit seed extract. This is a natural antibiotic without the side effects that's been shown to relieve sinus pressure, headaches and blocked noses. It works very well in destroying biofilms. These are clusters of harmful microbes that shield themselves from your immune system and are hard to get rid of. I also recommend placing a few drops of this into a neti pot with some distilled water and rinsing out your sinuses regularly. This works wonders in treating chronic sinusitis and other long-term infections that may be causing the mucus to build up. How to prepare my mucus clearing drink. Start with a tall pint glass and half fill it with mineral or spring water, leaving room for the other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of onion juice to the glass. Squeeze in the juice from half a fresh lemon and add the ginger, honey, apple cider vinegar, wild oregano oil and the grapefruit seed extract if you want to use it. Then stir the drink well to ensure that all the ingredients are combined. Top it off with a little more water if you wish. Sip it slowly, and if you find it's quite potent, feel free to chug it down in one go. Drink this mucus clearing mixture once a day, first thing in the morning. For best results, do it at the first sign of a cold or an infection. For faster healing, you may also drink it once again in the evening if you wish. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do consult with your doctor before using it. Other ways to clear out mucus. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest natural remedies. Licorice lozenges. Try sucking on some sugar-free licorice root lozenges to help soothe an irritated throat and thin out mucus. Throat gargle. To kill chronic infections that are in your throat or tonsils, mix 15 milliliters of 10% povidone iodine with 15 milliliters of water. Gargle the mixture for 30 seconds twice a day, ensuring that it reaches the back of your throat. Then spit out the solution, don't swallow it. Repeat it twice daily until the symptoms subside. Close the valve above the stomach. As I've previously mentioned, silent reflux is a common cause of chronic mucus or coughing. To close the valve above your stomach and stop acid reflux, drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed into a glass of water daily through a straw. Repair tissue damage. If you've been coughing for a long time, you may have some inflamed tissue in your throat, food pipe, lungs, or your stomach. In this case, take 75 milligrams of zinc L-carnosine twice per day to help heal the damaged tissue. You may also want to take 1 tablespoon of slippery elm powder mixed with water twice a day before a meal. This basically forms a gel-like coating on the inside that helps to heal the food pipe from acid damage and bring the inflammation down. Steam inhalation. To widen your nasal passages, soothe irritated airways and thin out mucus in the throat and lungs, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a bowl of steaming water. Place a towel over your head and then gently inhale deeply over the bowl for 5 to 10 minutes. Nasal rinse. For chronic sinus infections, take 1 cup of water, add 1/2 teaspoon of non-iodized sea salt and 5 drops of grapefruit seed extract. Mix these ingredients and pour them into a neti pot or a nasal irrigation kit. Then, leaning over the sink, tilt your head to one side and pour the mixture through one nostril, allowing it to exit the other. Do this once or twice per day until your symptoms disappear. Sea salt and grapefruit seed extracts destroy the resilient microbes and biofilms that are stuck in your airways. Pineapple juice. Drink a glass of raw, fresh pineapple juice every day at the first sign of a cold. Pineapples contain bromelain, a potent natural enzyme which dissolves mucus. Expectorant foods. If you can handle a bit of spice, start sprinkling some cayenne pepper over your meals to help drain and expel mucus. I also suggest eating more onions, garlic and radishes, as these help to boost glutathione, the master healing antioxidant of the body. Chest percussion therapy. If you have a chesty, wet cough, gently pat or clap on your chest and your back around the lungs. This technique can be done several times a day and helps to mobilize tough mucus. Ease a dry cough. If you have a dry cough and you're not coughing up mucus, I suggest taking calcium lactate 3 times per day from a supplement. Calcium lactate relaxes the muscles in your throat and lungs to soothe explosive and painful coughing. N-acetylcysteine. If you have a chronic lung disease like COPD, bronchitis or asthma, you may benefit from taking 1,000 milligrams of N-acetylcysteine 3 times per day. This very powerful remedy has been shown to reduce mucus production and improve sinus drainage, as well as improve the breathing. Again, do consult with your doctor before using this. Summary. Stubborn mucus in the lungs can result from infections, allergies, acid reflux, and inflammation. While some mucus is essential for lubrication, having too much mucus can make it harder to heal, causing discomfort, keeping you up at night, and making it difficult to breathe. Today's very simple drink combines the power of natural ingredients like onion juice, wild oregano, and honey to thin out and expel the mucus from your lungs, throat and sinuses, while also modulating the immune system to reduce reactions from allergies and infections. By drinking just 1 cup a day, alongside allowing time for rest and recovery, you can support your body's natural ability to heal and clear out mucus and phlegm. What many people don't know is that there are 6 main triggers for constant phlegm and mucus. And if you'd like to learn what these triggers are, watch the video that I've put on the screen now for more information. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.